If you want to know how to resize a video in CapCut on PC, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you the quickest way to change the size of your clip, reposition it, and make sure it fits your frame properly without ruining the quality or the composition. This is super useful if your footage looks too zoomed in, too small, or just doesn't sit correctly in your aspect ratio. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy CapCut tips and editing guides. Alright, let's jump into CapCut. First, open your project in CapCut PC. If you already have a project started, just load that up. If not, create a new one and get your editing workspace ready. Once you're inside the project, add your video to the timeline. You can drag and drop your clip into the timeline or import it first and then place it where you want it to go. The important thing is to make sure the video is selected in the timeline before you try to resize it. Now click on the video clip so it becomes highlighted. This tells CapCut that you want to edit that specific clip. When the clip is selected, look over to the right side of the screen. You should see the editing panel, and from there, go to Video, then click Basic. This is where the main visual controls for the clip are located, including the scale settings. Once you're in the Basic section, find the Scale option. This is the setting that controls how big or small your video appears inside the frame. If you want to make the video larger, increase the scale. If you want to make it smaller, decrease the scale. As you adjust it, watch the preview window so you can see the changes in real time. This is the easiest way to resize video in CapCut because it gives you direct control over the size of your clip. If your video is too close up, lower the scale a little. If it has empty space around it or looks too tiny, raise the scale until it fills the frame better. The goal is to make sure the video looks balanced and clean for the format you're using. For example, if you're editing for YouTube, you may want your video to fit the frame nicely without awkward black bars or unwanted cropping. After resizing, you may also need to reposition the clip. To do that, simply drag the video around in the preview window until the subject is centered the way you want it. This is especially important if your footage was recorded in a different aspect ratio than your final project. Sometimes when you resize one part of the scene, the subject can shift off center, so take a moment to line it up properly. A good tip here is to always check the framing before moving on. Look at the edges of the video and make sure nothing important is cut off. Make sure faces, products, text, or key action points are all visible and placed correctly. If your aspect ratio is vertical, square, or widescreen, the framing may need a different adjustment each time, so don't just resize and move on. Always review the final look in the preview. If you want the resize to feel more natural, make small adjustments instead of jumping to huge scale changes. Tiny changes can make a big difference. A little more zoom can help focus attention, and a little less zoom can help show more of the scene. Once the video is sized correctly and positioned well, your edit will look much more polished and professional. So to recap, open your project in CapCut PC, add your video to the timeline, select the clip, go to Video and Basic in the right panel, use Scale to make the video bigger or smaller, then drag it in the preview window to reposition it if needed. Finally, check that the framing looks correct for your aspect ratio. That's how to resize a video in CapCut on PC. If this video helped, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple CapCut tutorials, editing tips, and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.